In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a location pin icon using Figma. Start by opening your design and creating a fresh frame. Keeping icons consistent is easiest when you begin with a standard size. So set the frame to 24 by 24 pixels. This small canvas helps you design with pixel precision and keeps the proportions balanced when your icon is used alongside others. Zoom in so you can work comfortably within the frame. Next, choose the polygon tool and draw a triangle inside that frame. In the Properties panel on the right, make sure the polygon has 3 sides so it's an equilateral triangle. This ensures all sides are even and gives you a clean foundation for a pin shape that won't feel lopsided at small sizes. Rotate the triangle 180 degrees to flip it upside down. You can type 180 in the rotation field or hold Shift as you rotate to snap to exact angles. Now you have the classic base orientation for a map pin. To soften the geometry, double-click the triangle to enter Edit Object mode. You'll see corner controls on the points. Gently drag the top 2 corner handles inward to round those sharp angles, creating a friendlier, teardrop-like silhouette. Keep the bottom point sharper to preserve that pin feel. Take a moment to fine-tune the sides so the shape looks symmetrical and visually weighted toward the tip. Add the center detail by selecting the ellipse tool or pressing O. Hold Shift and Option or Alt as you draw to create a perfect circle from the center outward. Use Figma's Smart Guides to snap to the visual center of your pin and size the circle. So T here is even spacing between the circle and the curved edges around it. This inner circle acts like the window that gives the icon depth and recognizability. For a solid pin with a cutout window, select both the main pin shape and the circle. In the top toolbar, open the Boolean Operations menu and choose Subtract Selection. Make sure the circle sits above the pin in the layer stack so it subtracts correctly. The result is a single clean vector shape with the center removed. Finally, apply your fill color. A bright red stands out well for map interfaces, but pick any brand-appropriate hue. That's it. Thanks for watching.